What's up, everyone? And today I'm gonna be doing a bunch of Despicable Me stuff, and I need to pick up a couple of things before I actually do all of this stuff. So you might say that this video might get a little despicable. Alright, I'm gonna go. See you there. Alright, guys. So I made it to Walmart, and I found a couple of things. I found these little mini plush things that are pretty cool, but yeah. Then I found the mini fart gun. Wait, yeah, that's pretty cool. No, it's a dumb one. Okay, then there's the big fart gun with these little scents. It creates a gas stuff like out, and I also found these stretch on straws that's AVO, so I'm going to pick that up, and I'll see you guys at the house. Alright, guys, I'm back from Walmart, and if you didn't see that, I did pick up this AVO Tim that will be opening in just a second. So, actually, how about we do it right now, just to get it over with and have fun. So this is a stretch Armstrong, and this is a water gun. I'll test this out in another video, this little water gun, because I'm not going to do it right now because I don't want to waste all this time taking a little bowl of water. So I'll do it in my next Despicable Me movie, or not movie, next video. Oh, and also I did see the movie just 2 days ago of filming. I don't know if I am going to be filming or uploading this video today, but of filming, I saw it 2 days ago. It was an amazing video. That wasn't good. Wait. No, I'm just gonna cut with scissors. Got the little top off. It's not my eyes. Yeah. Okay. Oh, it's a cool little background here. I put this little bubble. Yeah. It's pretty nice. And I can just throw it quick back there in just a sec. Ooh. The little water gun is. If you can kind of hear that, I can hear it. You probably can't. It's really light. Air's just getting into my ear. Cool. Okay, now time to get not Mega Minion. AVO Tim out. Sorry, they do have a Mega Minion Tim 1. But that's what I thought. But this is AVO Tim that you see in the beginning. 2 Tims. Feels so funny. Oh, he's actually kind of heavy. This little plastic thing I can put him in after, but geez, he's pretty dang heavy. I'm not gonna lie. Well, his goggles are like rubber. Oh, this is funny. Yeah, you could peel off his clothes. Okay, I should not be showing that. Yeah, I should not be showing that. Okay, I should not be showing that either. not even gonna say. Okay. The feet, like, yeah. Yeah, I'm not even gonna say. The suit is one rubber thing. That's what I was trying to say until I realized that. Okay. Yeah. He's really nice. I'm gonna put this in his hand later. Real before I like squish him and all that, I'm just gonna show you a quick lift up as him, so I remember where he lives. That's what he looks like. All right, time to squish him. Oh, this is hard. It's like hard to do that. Wait, let's see. Alright, he is really funny looking. Okay, I definitely like this. Ooh. Jerry, they should make like one of those with like the crunchy filling, if you know what I do. Or if you know what I mean, like the crunchy, like rock filling. Sorry, my phone. But yeah. He does not stand. Wait, let's do a drop test. That's heavy. Yeah, he's really nice. I will do some, like, I'll stretch him after this video. But let me just put this in his hand so you know what it looks like. That's him holding it. I don't remember a water blaster. Is this actually supposed to be like the shrink ray from like the first Despicable Me? Or like the freeze ray? There was the shrink ray and the freeze ray, I'm pretty sure. Or maybe there's only one of those. I don't even know. I might be saying like random stuff that I usually do, so not too like different. Pretty nice though. Like he's a nice squish arms, stretch arms strong. Alright. Now, so if you went to McDonald's since the movie came out, they give the toy is one of these. So I'm going to be opening up 3 of them. I got Ron, Mega Minion Dave, and Mega Minion Jerry. I'm going to open them from the normal minion from more like cooler and weird. Jerry, you're kind of weird. In your Mega Minion form. No, you're awesome when you're not. Okay, time to open up Ron. So you can open them up like that. So let's do it. I've already opened these before, so they don't really have the wrapper anymore. That's Ron. And it comes with one of these. Here's that side. And here's that side. I'm just gonna put this back in the box, but I was showing you just for like, yeah. You can pop this open. Yeah, it's really nice quality. I'm gonna close the box so I can show you. Oh, and there's gonna be an entire Lego thing after, so don't worry. This is not gonna be the last thing. Nice. I'll set him off to the side. Alright, his stretch arm strong. I just need to squish him. Yeah, he's so fun. Alright, now Dave. Mega Minion Dave. Wait, why is what's his name? Jerry is smaller than Dave, or at least a smaller balls. Look, just quite small. Alright, but Dave is a little bigger, of course. His arm, like yeah, Dave in the movie was awesome. Like and not trying to spoil anything, but in the movie, he gave one of the minions high five. In the movie, let's say this was the minion, but I know it wasn't. Gave him a high five. He went flying. Then Major Minion Mel. Let me grab it real quick. Mel went flying up, got him, and they took a. Then he took a picture that. I know this is a later version of Mel. Really tiny. I'll get to that little war later. And don't worry, I also have a Gru method. And how did Vector even actually get off the moon? Like, you see him at the end of Despicable Me 4. Oh, freak, I think I just broke the ball. Oh no. Oh no, sorry, Ron. I just have no idea how I broke this thing. I think I kind of fixed it. Like this entire video is just gonna be me fixing the Mega Minion Dave's balls. I have no Oh, I fixed it, I think. Right? Did I? Or did I not? I probably didn't. Let me check real quick. It's like a full minute of this video, just me trying to. Oh, so that's normal. Did I fix it? Kind of. I really like the details on these. They're really nice McDonald's toys. They're my favorite McDonald's toys so far. Here's both sides. Then Dave is really big. Wait. This one has doesn't have look. This one's Dave and this one's wait, I said the name wrong. But look, you can also swip and swap, so but you can try to see which has the logo that's a normal minion logo. And he's a part of the Mega Minions. That's a team of minions with superpowers. Alright, let's close up Dave's box. So put him next to Jerry. I think Jerry likes having a friend. Now, Dave having a friend. This is Jerry. I'm making names sound so different. Let's just open this one. Normal. I messed up so bad. I'm sorry, guys. Does it actually have the smile? I forgot. Okay. This Jerry does not have his mouth open, but he doesn't have that thing wrong. Oh look, maybe it's only the Mega Minions. I have no idea. I have a dot in all of them. Mega Minion. Wait. Sorry. Wait. Hi, Barb. Okay, there. Okay, he also has the Mega Minion logo. And here it is. It's the same on the back every time, just the minion on the front. I just show it. Yeah, Jerry's really nice detailed. Well, all of these are great detailed, especially Jerry. I think it's funny how they just, on the box, they added a smile. And they could have made, like, the giant mouth open and, like, no. Actually, does he have a mouth? That's what I think he does. Or that's just the original. No. Well, time to move on. Okay, sorry. Now we've got Ron, Dave, and Jerry. Time for our Lego War. So let me show you all of the characters. Here's a Gru. Lucy, I think her name is. I didn't make all the sisters, but here's Baby Gru Jr. with the little milk bottle thing. Then we've got Vector with the shrink ray or freeze ray. It's supposed to be this thing. Pretty much, basically. Or the shrink ray, I don't really care. Then we've got Mega Minion, Tim. His arms are so long. Yay. Awesome. Oh, and there will be another Despicable Me video on my channel that's gonna have these minifigs. Then there's what's his name? Mel. Dave was angry as he's not hate. I'm angry. He does not look angry in the film. Actually, I'm destroying these every second. I popped off his legs. Okay, what? I'm ruining everything. There is that. Then there is Gus, I think his name is. Or is that another minion? I think that's just another minion. I don't know this guy's name. But all I know, he has a laser thing. And I had something very creepy. That's pretty nice. He snaps up pretty easily. I added the same scenario, but yeah. There's that laser guy. And then this one's my favorite. It's Jerry. You can see the resemblances. Kind of, yeah. Alright, now let's just get this Lego War started. Once upon a time, there was a team of minions called the Mega Minions. So, Gru and Lucy, the wife of Gru, decided to go on vacation too, and they told them to babysit Baby Gru Jr. So then they were like, yeah. Tim was still at work in his AVO suit. I know this isn't Lego, but yeah, doesn't matter. But then he remembered that they text them and he has to go on his way. So then he ran home, took off his normal suit, or his AVO suit, put on his normal suit, and grew his arms. All of the other ones were normal. So then Jerry just was laying down because I actually didn't know how to stand him up. And Mel was high up in the sky while Dave and the laser guy was looking for Gru Jr. They looked everywhere. When they left, and they found him, but something bad happened. He was with baby Gru Jr. and froze him. Like this. Sorry, something happened. As I was trying to say, Vector froze him. So then, Mega Minion Gus, or the laser guy, broke it open, but got uncontrolled and started breaking the floor, and baby Gru Jr. was all sad until they found out that Mel could just pick him up and lays it into Jerry. Then Jerry had laser guy on top of his head that he was okay with. But now he weighs like 50 more pounds. I don't know why these Major Minions weren't standing up. Then got off, and then Mega Minion Tim told them to back up. So they did, and then he said, "What? He said, I'll let you take him if you give me a banana." Then he said, okay. He gave him the banana, but then he was about to grab him until he slapped him, and baby Gru Jr. went flying, but then he landed on Dave that he thought was a trampoline. But then when he slapped him, what's his name? Vector was also flying down and dropped the freeze ray and fell down. Then they lived. But then Gru and Lucy came home. He said, "How was your vacation?" despicably good. Alright guys, so if you liked this entire video, or if you liked at least some of it, wait, just to make the heck of it, I built myself into a Lego by guys as a human. Okay, so if you liked this video, like and subscribe, and you can go for some more Despicable Me videos if you want some more, and we will definitely have the Mega Minions back. Okay, bye.